Hello everyone, welcome back from Math by Chang channel. So it's been a while that I did not upload some mathematics tutorial as I was busy with my exam. So yeah, I will try to upload some more videos about math tutorial. And today I would like to share about calculus 3, which is separable function. So what is separable function? So as we can see here, so y function and x function are separated. So we can separate the function and we can easily integrate to those kind of function. So here we will practice some 3 examples, and I'm sure that you will truly understand through these 3 examples. So let's try to practice some. So first of all, they want us to solve the equation, which is dy over dx equal to x squared over y squared. Okay, so the first of all, let's separate variable. Okay, so we will separate x and y. So here we have, I recommend you to put y on the left side because we would like to find the function of y. So dy, and this one is more like dividing, so this side it will go as multiplication, and also here x squared dx. Okay, and the second step, you can start integrate both sides. Okay, so how do you want to integrate here? So you can just put integration sign here. Okay, right? Integrate. So you can integrate. How much you get when you integrate y squared? You just add the power to 1, right? So 2 plus 1 is 3, and divide with that power again. And this one also the same. You add the power to 1 and divide with that power again, plus constant c. Okay, so what we want is y, not y cubed, so make sure. So here you have to multiply with 3 to both sides. Okay, so the result should be y cubed equal to x cubed plus 3c. Okay, and what we want is y, so y equal to, here would be cube root of x cubed plus 3c. Okay, you got it. And okay, and you can put 3c to be k, some constant. Okay, this one it's constant, so we would just substitute this cube root of x cubed plus k. So this is the value that we are looking for, but there is also in the second, number B, right? Second problem, number B, they give us y of 0 equal to 2, which is initial condition. So let me copy this y equal to, the equation that we got here is y equal to cube root of x cubed plus k, right? X cubed plus k here. So this equation means x, when x is 0, y is 2. Okay, so here y is 2 when cube root of x is 0 plus k. So all we remain here is cube root of k. So do you know what is the value of cube root, which is 1/3, right? So we want to find the value of k, so we multiply with 3 to the power. Okay, so k 1 over 3, the whole cube equal to 2 cube. Okay, so we got k equal to 8. So this is the value that we got here, and we substitute the value here. So the value of y equal to cube root of x cubed plus the value of k, which is 8. Okay, so this is the final answer, and I hope you guys get this one. So we move on to the next problem, or the next example, sorry. So the next example is they provide us like this. So dy over dx equal to, how much is that? 6x squared over 2y plus cos y. So first of all, you have to consider, can we separate this equation like with x and y? Okay, so in the numerator, we got 6x squared. Denominator, we have 2y plus cos y. So it is very obvious that we can separate. So maybe you can add like it is separable function, okay? Just to claim that it is a separable function. So that's my first step, separate variable, okay? Let's separate two sides, y and x. So I will try to write like this, 2y plus cos y, okay? This denominator will come to the numerator here, dy equal to 6x squared dx, okay, isn't it? And what is the second step? Integrate both sides, okay? So let's integrate. Integration of 2y plus cos y dy is equal to integration of 6x squared dx. You got it? So we can separate this one into two, right? Y dy. You can put 2 at the front because it is constant, right? Cos y dy equal to 6 integration of x squared dx. Okay, this is what we get here. And let's try to integrate. So 2, when you integrate y, we will get y squared over 2, right? When we integrate cos, we will get sine y, okay? And 6, when we integrate x squared, we got x cubed over 3 plus c, okay? So we can cancel out something. 2 and 2 will cancel out, 3 and 2, okay? So here we get y squared plus sine y equal to 2x cubed plus c. So this is the final answer that we are looking for. It will be difficult to find y, only y for this, because there is two forms of y, like y squared and sine y. So I think it is okay to leave like this the answer to be. Okay, so this is the second example. So let's continue to the third example. This one is also very easy, and I'm sure you will get this one. So the question is y prime equal to x squared y. What is y prime? It is kind of derivative, first order derivative, right? Which means dy over dx. So here we get dy over dx equal to x squared y. Okay, so let's separate. First, separate variable. So let's separate the variable. So dy equal to dx, right? So y will come this side as 1 over y, and x will be here, x squared. And what is the second step? The second step should be integrate both sides, okay? So I think it is okay to not write those steps, but I just want you to make more clear, so I added those steps. So okay, let's add integration sign here. Integration of x squared dx, isn't it? So here, what will you get when you integrate 1 over x or 1 over y something? We will get ln modulus of y equal to, when you integrate x squared, you will get x cubed over 3 plus c, isn't it? So we do not want ln y, right? What we want is only y. So I will put exponents to both sides, so e power x cubed over 3 plus c, okay? So these two will cancel out, so you can get here modulus of y equal to this number or this variable we can separate like this, right? E power c. So if you want to find y, which will be plus or minus e power c e power x cubed over 3, okay? And and let I will put a constant a equal to plus or minus e power c. That's why the value of y is equal to a e power x cubed over 3. Okay? Okay, so that's it. So this is the answer, the value that we are looking for, and they did not provide any initial condition. So there will be some constant here. Okay, so that's it. I hope you understand this one. If you have any question concerning with this topic, feel free to ask me in the chat box. In the comment section. So thank you, and see you in my next video.